You know, we continue to see the nation being pulled into two directions. Health experts are saying maintain social distancing, stay safe, and a lot of other people are saying forget about it.
Hands up, I can't see 'em.
Tension in Texas. A SWAT team rounds up demonstrators in Odessa after a local tavern opened up in defiance of the governor's stay-at-home orders for bars, while at the same time Texans flock to beaches, ignoring social distancing orders, and not a mask in sight. This in a state where last week the number of new COVID-19 cases increased by more than 40% every 3 days. And Texas is not alone. At least 28 states saw new cases rise at alarming rates last week. Minnesota's cases have increased more than 130% every 3 days. Tennessee increased 97%, Ohio nearly 50%.
The virus is going to exploit it. When we are not social distancing, the virus goes right there.
At a House committee hearing today, former CDC head Tom Frieden warned there is much more heartbreak to come.
As bad as this has been, it's just the beginning.
COVID-19 clusters at meat plants are at near crisis levels. Nearly 11,000 infections and at least 45 deaths. Closing plants across the country, and according to a new economic study, you can expect 20% spikes in meat prices compared to last year. And large COVID-19 outbreaks in meat processing plants in small towns in the Midwest are raising alarms. Many of the small hospitals in these rural communities don't have many, if any, ICU beds. And what's more, many areas have very few hospitals to begin with. Today, President Trump continued to urge governors to reopen their states, including their schools.
I would like to see schools open wherever possible, which I think is in much of the country, most of the country.
While at the same time, the president seemed to acknowledge getting America back to work could cause more deaths.
I call these people warriors, and I'm actually calling now, as you know, John, the nation warriors. We have to be warriors. We can't keep our country closed down for years, and we have to do something.
And the president has changed his mind about disbanding the coronavirus task force. Today he said it will stay in place permanently. And the reason? He said it's much more popular than he ever imagined. Let's go back to you.
All right, Randy, thank you.